Here we got a 1945 Jeep that's actually made by Ford, because they didn't have enough room for production out of Kaiser, and you know, the Willys didn't have enough production room to meet all the demand in World War II. So Ford made a lot of Jeeps, most of them probably. Now this thing, I've actually done this before, but I've never done it with the 50 cal mounted on the top, man. So, got the old pineapple style, old hand grenades, the pineapple style. Actually, the new ones, they're more like a baseball. They got the same fragmentation, just that it shows it's on the inside. You know, a lot of people had a question about that, you know. So, of course, I got my AR-15 lower with the what do you call it, safety harbor upper at 50 cal. That's the same. Those are the right rounds, man. I got some of those rounds, man. Let it rip, alright? I know you're down here a bunch of times before, but I never saw you had the big cannon up there at 50.
Put it on this side.
Yeah.